Children, today you will learn about the Nayakas of Surapura and Nada Prabhus of Yelhanka. The Nayakas of Surapura. Children, do you know where Surapura is situated? It is in Yadgiri district and is situated between the two rivers, that is River Krishna and River Bhima. The founder of the Nayakas of Surapura is Gaddipidda Nayaka. Pitambari Baharipidda Nayaka constructed Surapura and made it as his capital. Later, Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka came to the power and he ruled between 1843 to 1858 CE. In the year 1857, the first war of Indian independence took place, and the news of this first war of independence in India reached Surapura. Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka united the kings of South India to fight against the British. He appointed Arabs and Rohillas in his army and started to train his army to fight against the British. On hearing these developments, the British entered Surapura in 1858 and a battle ensued. A battle took place between the British and Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka travelled to Hyderabad to bring the special forces of Arabs and Rohillas. During that time, the British forces entered Surapura and destroyed it. The Prime Minister of Hyderabad Nizam Salar Jung handed over Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka on the pretext of helping him with the intention of getting a favour. The British later killed Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. The British gifted Surapura to the Nizam of Hyderabad for their help. Finally, after independence, Hyderabad merged with the Indian Union on September 17, 1948. So, Surapura also merged with India. Contributions of the Nayakas of Surapura. The Nayakas of Surapura contributed to the field of culture. They built temples, tanks, wells, forts and palaces. They provided Inam land to sustain the worship of their patron god Venkataramana at Tripura and Gopalaswamy. They offered patronage to many artists, sculptors and musicians. Many literary works of good value were also written during their time. They were known for their religious tolerance. The Surapura rulers accorded prominent place to painting. Their paintings stand unique from Vijayanagara, Vijayapura and Mysuru paintings. The designs and techniques of Surapura paintings are of high quality. These paintings can be seen in the Museum of London. Now, let us learn about the Nada Prabhus of Yelhanka. The founder of Yelhanka Nadaprabhu dynasty is Rana Bairegowda. The kings like Jayagowda, Giddegowda, Kempanjegowda and many others ruled Yelhanka. The most popular ruler of this dynasty is Hiriya Kempegowda. Therefore, the rulers of Yelhanka are known as the rulers of Kempegowda dynasty. They were Nada Prabhus during the rule of Vijayanagara Empire. They ruled Bengaluru, Ramanagara, Tumkuru and undivided Kolar districts. Their capitals were Yelhanka, Bengaluru and Magadi. Since Yelhanka was the first capital, they are called Yelhanka Nadaprabhus. Hiriya Kempegowda. Hiriya Kempegowda founded Bengaluru city in 1537 CE. He built a fort in Bengaluru and started his rule from there. He built Basava temple of Basavanagudi, Someshwara temple of Halasuru and extended the Gavigangadhareshwara temple. He built several tanks like Dharmamudi tank, Halasuru tank and Sampangi tank. He built several chowtries and agraharas. Because of his all these achievements, he earned the title Prajavatsala. Kempegowda II. Kempegowda II marked the borders of Bengaluru and built 4 watchtowers in the marked places. During his reign, Bengaluru grew as a major weaving center. He built forts at Magadi, Savanadurga, Huliyurdurga, Hutridurga and others. He constructed new villages, temples and tanks. Kempegowda II handed over the political power of Magadi to his son Kempegowda III. The power of Kunigal province was given to his another son Hiriya Kempegowda II. Kempegowda III constructed the Kempesagara tank. Hiriya Kempegowda II was not only brave but was also a multi-language academician. Later, the regions ruled by Yelhanka chieftains merged with the Mysore province. Thank you.